The civil rights movement in the U.S. sought to end racial segregation. The Vietnam War, 1955–1975, was a conflict between North and South Vietnam. The Berlin Wall fell in 1989, leading to the reunification of Germany. Nelson Mandela was released from prison in 1990, marking the end of apartheid in South Africa. The European Union was established with the Maastricht Treaty in 1992. The Rwandan genocide in 1994 resulted in the deaths of nearly 1 million people. The Oslo Accords were signed in 1993, aiming to bring peace between Israel and Palestine. The Good Friday Agreement in 1998 brought an end to the conflict in Northern Ireland. The 9/11 terrorist attacks occurred in 2001, leading to the War on Terror. The Iraq War began in 2003, leading to the overthrow of Saddam Hussein.